People in political groups keep harassing me with different offers to put me beneath them, especially white racist liberals. And they are disproportionately blonde, the ones who seem to be the most active in the psyops. I think the best explanation is that this is a culture of running psyops that predates the Ku Klux Klan and the neo Nazis. And they've considered it part of a white eugenic tradition of controlling reproduction, kind of like breeding animals. In a culture where taking things out of context is commonplace, all too commonplace. You can understand why I asked the liberals, why do you keep hiding behind mental health and saying that people are crazy conspiracy theorists instead of addressing honest concerns of black militants? Why is this a recurring theme in the liberal communities in America? Blacks, gays, and women do not go through the same problems. That's like saying a Asian man has the same problems as a Israeli. You know, there are some things in common, but that's not enough to say, well, we're different and we have the same enemies. No. The Democratic Party operates in a way that continuously keeps the black man down. It is in the best interest of the gays because they push a gay agenda. The elites in corporations are disproportionately gay and they're feminists. But what they are not is black. Just because there's a few black celebrities who are liberals with money does not mean we have equal representation in the Democratic Party. We are hoed, we are cheated by disreputable clowns on a regular basis. And for what? So a bunch of pissants can pretend they're tough, and laugh behind our backs, while our best and our brightest are put beneath them for perceived gain? What do we truly get out of this so-called allegiance? They try to play us out as crazy, and Tupac tells us time and time again in his songs when we play them, calling me a madman because I'm strong and bold. But yet to this day, you still hide behind mental health. You still have a bunch of boulets and masons and other black kind of preppy, college-looking, kind of English-looking sometimes, kind of English boarding school, African-looking guys. These kind of, these kind of fraternity, kind of, sissy, effeminate guys helping you out. So again, you're killing our kids with eugenics. We're disproportionately having our babies aborted. You're taking the best of our women, and I know you might think it's an exaggeration, but I'm sure we can agree to some degree these women are becoming lesbians because of their contact with you, and we can look at statistics and see a steady rise in homosexual activity in the black community. So you might try to argue these facts to make yourself look good. Again, is that really going to help your cause? To avoid, to fabricate? Why don't you address our concerns? You are not going to, because you do not represent us. You represent a bunch of gay feminist eugenicists in the pharmaceutical sector. And you will use psychology, pussy power, money, coercion, the surveillance state, and controlled opposition. You even have sex, in secret societies and in foundations and committees and other entities that represent corporate interests. So again, how is it in the black man's interest to be a part of the Democratic Party? Immigrants get to, come here and get exploited by the white man and feel like they have it better than the whites in other countries treat them. I mean, basically the white man funds puppet dictators in third world nations. And then whatever people who are cowardly enough to join a secret society instead of face their problems at home, come here and they pretend they're honorable and say that we're giving money back home. And with the few exceptions of people like my father who came here during a war, we get a bunch of cowards and women who are gay friendly. If lesbian, they're probably lesbians already. They probably have done lesbian activity in secret societies before coming here. A lot of the good-looking ones, at least. They're probably already in strip clubs affiliated with secret societies. I know. I used to be a gang member for many years. And these are the types of things that gang members get a kind of nervous look in their eyes and don't want to talk about because it will bring a lot of heat. It's similar to like slapping a cop or something. Now, again, Knowing that the system works like this, why the fuck should we team up with you gays who want to rape our little boys? You feminists who want to take the best women and pit the tall against the short, when we all know the tall man naturally gets the woman. Let's face it, tall, dark, and handsome, man of big stature, long extremities, longer dick. We all know that taller guys have a bigger penis, okay? Let's get over it. Little guys, stop having a little man complex, okay? Let's focus on the fact that these lesbian whores are selling us out. If you want to cry about how you're that one little guy with a big dick and a big heart all day, fine. But lesbian whores are still selling us out, and you're still getting less than you would otherwise get if real men were in charge. So again, I ask you, Democrats, you cheating, lying, sniveling cowards, I will even not put approved comments and watch you troll away talking about take your medicine instead of answering my very obvious, concise, direct points. A top martial artist, brain surgeon's son, 175 IQ, with feces on your breath, deceit in your heart, and treachery in your mind. The lack of an honest spirit and soul is quite apparent and visible, even to the untrained eye, when it comes to lowly knaves like you. Your chicanery knows no bounds. Now you tell me this. Why the fuck should your opinion even count after the appalling silence in the gay community when it comes to New World Order activities and rituals? The only time you people ever speak out is when you think gays in secret societies are being treated unfairly. You call that honorable? Compare that to Christians who die for what they believe. You are sniveling, effeminate cowards who do not know God. And I promise you, if you do not change, you will burn in hell. You shit-pushing, butt-plugging, dick-sucking, salad-tossing, shit-worshipping plumbers.